I'll be honest with you, I'm not proud of that one. That is one of my earliest monsters I have had in a long time. I missed my coffee this morning. I never got it. All we have at the warehouse is Monster. 10:45 in the morning, Monster it is then. You know, I love the whole motto, sleep less, do more. I love staying up super late to finish the vlogs, but I'm in this weird sleeping schedule now of where I go to bed at like 1:30, 2 a.m. in the morning, and then I end up waking up at like 7:30 in the morning. I'm getting like this 5 hours a night thing. Sabrina keeps yelling at me saying that if I keep doing it, I'm gonna run myself into the ground, but the daily vlogs bring this sense of like connection, I feel like, with you guys. And I feel like you guys like them a lot more. I enjoy making them, but man, they're fucking tiring. What's up?
Don't look at my hole.
What are you doing?
Don't look at my...
Oh man, why is it?
I don't know, dude. I went the TJ route and just wanted to drill the hole, and that's what happened.
No, you see. The TJ route, you drill the hole quick, get it done quick, but it's not fucked up after.
Are you kidding me? Please look at this. Please look at this. That's a TJ hole. That's a TJ hole. Oh, that's a TJ hole.
Yeah, but like it adds character.
So when you do it, it adds character, but when I do it, it's the bunk method. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
You know what one of the top comments was yesterday, Calf? It was, I'd subscribe to your channel, but you curse so much that I don't. It's not a great family channel, man.
Well, guess what?
That hurt, man.
Get fucked.
For this video, I'm gonna do my best not to say I'm gonna bleep that. I'm gonna bleep that one, because that one doesn't count. I'm gonna do my best. I'm actively working on it, but when we're in this warehouse and it's all of like our best friends and stuff, we're throwing around words and shit's getting said. Oh, does that count?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a mental note. I'm probably gonna forget me saying this, but for this vlog, I'm gonna try to not curse as much. Cuss, curse, swear, just me. I'm just gonna try, because I'm really bad. So I edit these vlogs every night, and I'm watching myself, and I'm just like, damn, I cuss a lot. I don't mean to, it just kind of happens.
Just gotta bore out a bigger hole, you know?
Give it a little push. I try to not start this car if I'm just gonna be moving it 2 feet because built motor. It's every day around here pushing this car around. Hold this seat. There, perfect.
Yeah.
Pro tip, whenever you put a car up on the lift, the first thing we do once it's like a foot off the ground, is we give the car a good shake. If it doesn't go anywhere, you're good.
Never gonna get used to that.
You wanna explain that?
It scares me every time. It's the locking system. Every time it goes up, it can lock, it can sit on it. It's like a jack stand.
That is what we're fixing today. That is a major exhaust leak. This is the piece that Eric welded for us probably like, what, a month and a half ago? Something like that. Put a little heart on there. But this is the major exhaust leak we are fixing today. We only had one bolt. That was hot as fuck, wasn't it? Damn it, I just cussed. This job was originally pretty hard because doing this on the ground and not having clearance was a total bitch. Does that count if I say bit? It was a total pain in the butt.
Hey, bitch is okay on the TVs.
Okay, fair enough. So today we're gonna fix that.
We have to turn this pipe because this hole doesn't line up and this hanger is in my way.
Real quick shout out to these lights though, making the shot look so clean.
Hey, all y'all talking shit about my apron? I don't have to go to the table now. That's right. Thank you, Eric.
Calvin,
again.
You're making it look trendy. I like it. You're setting trends, Cal. What we're finding is that, God, Cal, we gotta raise this, man. This is way too short. These two holes don't line up at all. And what our issue is we need to like, oh, that scared the poop out of me. what we need to do is we need to rotate the pipe, which we're not able to do. I think it's because of this hanger. So we're gonna remove another hanger and hopefully adjust it enough to get that to fit, because we don't want an exhaust leak, because we have exhaust leaks in like every single car and we're over it.
Hey,
we need to fix that.
I don't want to put my BRZ up here and look face to face with my gouge.
Calvin has a huge hole in his exhaust pipe that he did when he was going too fast, hit a speed bump, and bam, puts a hole in his exhaust.
Bump.
That was hard.
That was a wrestle and a half, dude.
Didn't get it on film, but we had to use both our hands
Now let's not
and
go the wrong
squeeze
way.
that together. Yeah, don't do that the wrong way. But exhaust leak pretty much fixed. The throttle's like stuck wide open.
No, you're opening it.
No, that was closing it. Right's opening it. Oh, we're out of gas.
Oh, that's fast.
We're out of gas. So I ended up getting this RC car working, and if you wonder why it looks all bunk, and there's this big battery pack on the back, it's because we had to like hot wire it because it wouldn't fit in its normal enclosure.
Steve! We're good. You won't do it? Oh, no! DJ.
Oh God, no!
Oh, DJ! Water law! That was a bad idea. That was a bad,
Terrible idea.
terrible.
Bad idea.
Oh no, I think it's dead.
If we got water up in the exhaust, we're fucked. The day we get it started, I'm gonna fucking break it. I've had this actual RC car since I was like probably 17. I've had it for 5 years. It's never worked for me. Just fixed it today.
Oh, that's bad. What did we break? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
No. Rip Moreno. No.
Hey, careful, man. How deep is that?
It only gets a couple inches.
Axle. No! Fucked up, man.
We were just driving it.
Lower control arm. Tej.
I'm trying to find the missing piece.
Tej, man, it's not gonna work.
What do you mean it's not gonna work?
It's not gonna work, man. Let me point it out. Look, check this out, okay? So there's a bit right here that holds the lower control arm in. Not there. Ripped. Don't throw the...
Yeet.
No, man.
What a journey though, am I right?
Just a little bit.
That was a lot of fun.
Barefoot saves the...
for way too much money.
Tape is not gonna hold this in. Fucking plastic pieces. Rip.
Can't handle our driving capabilities.
There's another fuck. There's another fuck for the book.
I'm really blowing this whole not cussing thing. Update, the mouse has been found. Hold on. Hey, I need to...
It could be under the couch,
Dude.
anywhere.
Where the fuck did it go?
It's the...
We're fucked. It's under the couch for sure.
Yeah, no, it is.
I saw the mouse again, even though we didn't think it was gonna happen. And we lost it, of course. Honestly, I blame myself because I went to try and grab the camera instead of helping Calvin. I fucked up. Now it's in the movie room. The absolute last place we said we wanted the mouse to end up. It ended up in here. I didn't get it on camera.
Slipped. I was telling you guys, don't let it go. I said close the door, and then you close the door, but then it slipped under the door. We thought that it scrambled under the door and that it went in here and then it went into the movie room. But as I'm opening the door right now, just casually walking in, I see this like line of something like right there. Me and Emily are standing there and I was like, that's its tail. and then it's gone. So it's in here.
So you think it's underneath?
So we never ended up catching that mouse. We found out that there's 2 mice, not one, that are running in and out of the walls of the warehouse. I'm currently editing this video right now. It's 11:30, so I'm actually getting this video done sooner than normal. We have to wake up super early tomorrow because we're going to pick up car parts for a 350Z. I'm enjoying my tea, by the way. So I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching, bros. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out and keep moving forward.
I'm feeling
Gotta do it for the video. Gotta do it for the video. Alright, Calvin, imagine I'm Emily.
I did. Hey, Colin.
Hey, good. Oh, good. I was kidding, man. I was kidding. There is no sippy action going on in this car.
These guys are always asleep.